right, gang, let's talk about it. I live in a neighborhood with a lot of dogs. I actually have 2 dogs of my own, but one of the most annoying things in the world is when one of your neighbors is walking their dog and they do their business in your front yard and they don't clean it up. And I'm kind of in that get off my lawn sort of stage in my life where I do want to be neighborly per se, but I want to remind everybody, hey, clean up after your animals. And that's where this comes in. I picked these signs up recently just as a gentle reminder. Everybody walking by, it is their responsibility to clean up their dog's waste. What you got here, these are corrugated plastic, and so they're like a corrugated cardboard, but it's actually a coroplast, so it's made out of plastic here. Big beautiful colors on these signs. These signs are double-sided. It's about 9 inches wide by about 12 inches long, and it comes with stakes. And if you've never seen these stakes before, let me tell you the trick to installing these. I see these wrong all the time. Each side is actually a different width, and so this bottom is actually slightly wider than the top. And the top is the part that has the shortest legs up here. And the reason that they are different sizes is because if you put the short side up, it makes it really easy to slide into the corrugated part of the sign, and the bottom side will stick out a little bit so that once it's in the ground, it's a little harder for it to be removed. So look, if you are looking for a good way, oh, and these are double-sided, which I love. So look, if you're looking for a good way to remind people, some neighbors in your neighborhood to clean up after their dogs, clean up after their animals, this is a quick and easy way that you can do that. Check out these signs. I think you're going to love them.